Hundreds of residents on Chicago's far south side are still cleaning up today after basements flooded following storms this weekend.
One alderman is calling on the city to investigate the unusually high number of incidents. WGN's Kelly Davis live now on the south side with more on that. Kelly?
Ray and Mike, heavy rain hit this neighborhood early Sunday morning. It all happened within 75 minutes between 3 a.m. and 4:15. Now, people woke up that morning to find several inches of floodwater in their basements, and now they're dealing with the aftermath. We have seen dozens of these cleanup and restoration trucks throughout the area today. People have been busy clearing out their basements after the weekend rain. Mount Greenwood, Morgan Park, and the Beverly neighborhoods received nearly 3.5 inches of water in 75 minutes. More than 700 homes reported basement flooding, and the calls to 311 keep coming in, so we expect that number to continue to go up. The Johnson family shared these pictures of their fully finished basement that was badly flooded. They tell me 3 inches of sewer water backed up into the home they moved into about a year and a half ago. Amanda Johnson describes walking downstairs Sunday morning.
Stepping in puddles and puddles of just disgustingness in the carpet and everything. It was not fun.
I want to make sure we've ruled out, is there any failure in the system? Is there any lines that are broken? Water will find a path to least resistant, and that's a floor drain in a basement of a home. So.
Alderman Matt O'Shea is pushing for an investigation from the city's Department of Water Management and the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District. MWRD released a statement that says, quote, the MWRD's deep tunnel system was completely open and available and took on water during the storm. But due to the extreme intensity, the local sewers couldn't deliver such large amounts of water that fell in a very short period of time. A spokesperson also tells me their office will provide any information requested by the city to help support their investigation into exactly what happened here with that sewer system failure. Reporting live in the Mount Greenwood neighborhood, I'm Kelly Davis, WGN News.
Thank you, Kelly.